In this recording, I will just be going over some information that we have already gone over in class. I will also provide you just with the 2 pages in which I am completing this review for you, so that way you can follow along as well. And just in step 1, it tells us to create a new blank workbook and then save the workbook as book list. So you'll just open up a blank Excel spreadsheet, click File, Save As. You will select Computer, and I'm going to save this on the desktop as book list. And then it tells us to rename sheet 1 as documentation. So on sheet 1, I'm going to right click and a shortcut menu will appear, and then you will see where it says rename, and then I will key in documentation, and then it tells us to enter data in this spreadsheet. So I will pause the video and get that data entered. And once I've got the information keyed in, just tells us to select, it tells us to set the font size of the title text in cell A1 to 26. And then we add a new worksheet after the documentation sheet. So just remember, to the right of the documentation sheet, you can click on the plus button. When you move your mouse there, it will say New Sheet, and then Sheet 2 will open up. And I'm going to right click and rename that as Books. And I'll zoom in so you can see the screen just a little bit better. And in cell A1, I will key in book acquisitions. And I will change the font size to 26. And in cell A2, I will key in date, and I'm going to enter the date 4/3/2016. Now, unless you are told otherwise to enter a formula for the date, just go ahead and key in the current date. And then the next step just tells us to key in the data that's shown at the top of the next page. So I will go ahead and get that data keyed in.